Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a cooking video. I'm going to show you today how to make one of my favorite meals that I can remember growing up as a child, which was hamburger yakisoba. My dad was a cook in the army for 22 years, and this is one of the many recipes that I can remember him making. And y'all, when I tell you it's good, it's good. So if you're interested, keep watching. Getting right into these ingredients. So first thing you need, of course, is some ground beef or ground turkey, ground chicken, whatever you want to use. We're going to use ground turkey. No, I'm not using all 3 pounds. I'm probably going to use half of this and then save the rest for another recipe, which I'm going to use to make some stuffed bell peppers. Me and my husband will probably do that together this weekend when he's off. So yeah, that's that. You also need spaghetti seasonings. You're gonna need some black pepper, some garlic powder, some ground ginger. I like extra garlic, so I always use this seasoning, garlic and herbs, all-purpose seasoning. It's so good. I use it on everything. You're gonna need an onion and then 1 bell pepper and soy sauce. It usually calls for a green bell pepper, but like I said, we got the orange or yellow, whatever color you want to call it, bell peppers for the stuffed bell peppers. So I'm using one of those. What you want to do first, of course, is boil your water for your spaghetti. So what I'm doing is just adding a little bit of oil to the water so that the noodles don't stick. And then I'm going to add some salt, and I use the Himalayan pink salt, and then let that boil. My water is now boiling, and so I'm gonna go ahead and start to add my noodles in here. So in this pan, I already cut the ground beef in half, and I was only going to use half of it and use the other half for the stuffed bell peppers. So I'm going to go ahead and ground this off. And I'm going to put it on a medium-high heat so that while I'm doing this, I can go ahead and cut up my onions and my bell peppers. Now I'm going to work on chopping up my vegetables. Other half, but I might save it for the bell peppers. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a Ziploc bag, and we'll get back to the ground turkey. And once we're done cooking this down, cooked, you don't want to see any more redness in the meat. Then we're going to drain it and rinse it. So our noodles are cooking. So I'm going to let those continue to cook. So this ground turkey is pretty much good to go. And what we're gonna do is drain it. Now I'm gonna go in and saute my onions and bell peppers. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the garlic powder to this. Probably would have used minced garlic if I had it, but I don't have any. So. And then I'm going to add my turkey. Now I'm going to start off by seasoning it by adding the garlic and herbs. My husband says I'm the season queen. So I know how to season good. Then I'm going to add some pepper. Then the ground ginger. Organic ground ginger by McCormick. Stir that up. Then I'm going to add the pink Himalayan salt. And then I'm going to go in with the soy sauce. Now I'm going to add the spaghetti noodles. And then you just want to mix it all together. Y'all, it smells so good. It's bringing back memories. I think it's the ginger and the soy sauce mixed together that's jogging my memory. This is pretty much it. It's super easy, super simple to do. Jimmy just got home, so we're gonna see what he thinks.
What is it?
Yakisoba.
I'm trying to figure out what my plate was. What's up? What was I supposed to say? Hit like, subscribe, all that, right? I'm getting a cute portion or?
Eat.
Alright, I have no problem with that. That's good. Good.
Yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. That's how you make it. Let me know in the comments below what you're interested in seeing. And if you are new here, thank you for tuning in. If you're not, welcome back, and hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you. Bye. So Jalen likes it. Is it good? Son, you gotta stop smashing. Open. Eat. Good job. Eat. Good job. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hiya!